Kamanu rainbow runner. Yes, the big one, Shibi. Probably about 25 pounds. Morning, guys. Today. Morning. Shoot. Whew. All right, launching. Whew. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I haven't caught any fish for 7 weeks. Well, 8 weeks, I think, actually. I just caught an opelu. He's like this big, maybe. Last 8 weeks have been really hard. Really haven't caught that much bait. Look at the sunrise. Woo! Beautiful day.
At 160, I'm coming back in more shallow. I think it's more like in that middle range.
Alright, guys. I caught 2 opelu today. Uh-oh. What is this? Oh! Whoa! Oh, my kayak tipping over. Oh. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, frick. Okay. Keep him on, keep him on. Woo! Oh! I'm double on! I know. Other one might have came off, but that's okay. There he is. Right when I went to Kayak him, he kicked and I hit him right in the meat and he like freaked out. Yeah, he still got, I'm still good, I'm still good. There he is. Right there, right there, right there. Come on. Come on, turn around. Turn around. Oh, I can't even lift him up. Yes. Look at that. Guys, 7 weeks, no fish, but today finally changed that. So excited. So I haven't made a video in a long time. But here we go, a nice Shibi, maybe like 25, maybe close to 30 pounds. It's pretty good size, so really excited, really happy. Yes. Now they're fighting. Oh. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. What was that? Whoa, frick. Whoa! Whoa! No! Yep. The wire is the one that's stuck. They're straight down. Oh! 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 Ah! This one's bigger. Oh! 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 Woo! What is going on? He swallowed the whole thing. He set drag on the circle. Dude, they might be a tangled mess. They're like so close. Oh. Oh, that guy's just freaking out. This guy freaking out. Oh. Oh, he's right there. Oh, what the heck is this? Whoa, it's a rainbow. Okay, landed one. Okay, double hookup. Oh. I caught this rainbow. He's still fresh, so hopefully he doesn't kick me in the nuts. Oh, shoot! Ah! Oh, and then I have another one on. I think it's a Shibi. Maybe it's a rainbow too. Seems like more like a Shibi. He's bigger. Oh, so let's see. Get this yellowfin tuna up here. This might be an Ulua, I think. Yep. Ulua. Frack. My second one was an Ulua. Oh, there it is. Okay. Wow, that was crazy. Hey, I got a rainbow runner though. Alright, check it out. Kamanu. Rainbow runner, Hawaiian salmon. Really, really, really nice sashimi fish. Really nice meat. It's kind of like yellowtail in California and other places. Good catch. They get a lot bigger than this, but this is totally a good keeping size, so excited.